Which side you dey now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They come again. Which kind of wahala be on this one? Now why you gonna tell me say make I come mechanic? You know, sir, I don't take this medicine now, eh? And anytime I don't take this drug, this thing no go come off my body now. Oh, why they do like this now? I don't like this kind of pattern. No. I don't like him at all.
Hello, fine girl. What's up?
So what's it what make I do now?
Hello, fine girl.
It's about to go down.
Okay, what's happen now?
My name is Cash Money.
You see, I don't call you. They distract me.
Do my car now. They come out now.
So make I find another person, Abi. Make I find another person. No wahala. You don't do your own now. No wahala. Okay, what's happen now?
My name is Cash
Why
Money.
they disturb me now?
My name is Cash Money.
So what's gonna happen?
I'm the owner of this vehicle, yeah, and I have many cars in this workshop. They are fixing for me. So I even hear a conversation about the person you are talking to on the phone.
Okay, no concern you. Did I call you?
No, he didn't call me, but look at me now. I hear what they talk. I hear what they discuss with the person.
Okay, I beg shift once I make my call now.
No. You don't see me. See action boy. So I need to talk to you now, baby girl. I hear what they talk.
I beg. I don't want to wahala. The medicine why I take now they disturb me. No can add your own join.
As if not like that, me I will handle you well, oh. I go handle you.
You go explain. Kaya no evidence.
I see me like this, if I handle you, you go even they dream about me every day. So forget about that one. So as I did like this, I sure say all the girls where are they date for Ogun State. Many of them gone. If I don't look at them, we don't get belly. She understand me. So
is this a small thing that they use?
No, I know you look me like say I feel small for you, but I get big engine.
Okay, sure you go fit handle me.
I feel handle you well.
Sure you go fit handle this.
I feel handle you. Wait till they there. I feel handle you.
Hey, bad boy. Hey, bad boy.
Calm down first. The medicine why I take. This guy why they find.
Okay.
The guy the last one.
Okay. Like how many hours in the last?
In the last like tire. So I don't go like. And
that one is just a minor thing. If I handle you, I feel handle like 2 days. Forget. I go handle you well. So where you want me to go now? Let me get all this car. Let me get this car.
Forget about car. Car not my problem. I define person will go feel like me waiting.
You no worry. So where we go fit do am? Where we go fit do am now? I dey in mood. Where we go fit go now? No, me I don't fit go there. Mo just find somewhere around here. Mo just.
Somewhere around here.
So as I did like this, to show you say I dey in mood true.
So you get money, mo go look for there now.
They never finish my car finish now.
Calm down first. The thing be say where we go do am?
Where we go do am? Anywhere. We fit do am anywhere. If anyone where you like.
No. People wait for me.
No, apart of say people wait there here. Anywhere we fit hide now, we go do am. Make you just test me. Make see as you go take go.
I know they quick come now be the thing.
I feel last 2 hours.
For years.
For years. So anywhere we want to go now, we go. Mechanic, what's the happen now? See this car now. You want to go do it? I know you like all this kind of thing. No, fix my camera come up for you now.
No, they go now. Which style you go fit give me?
Doggy style now.
The only doggy style is happy.
Anyone touch your toe. I feel jack you. I feel John way jack you. Anyone way like any level way want to carry you.
I know you feel
I know you feel loud, but.